At the rise of artificial intelligence, everyone is concerned about INR generators. Some text-to-image generator AI, like Midjourney Leonardo AI or Blue Willow, are able to make stunning AI art. There are some really easy ways to make your Midjourney images more interesting for social media, creating AI films, or just for fun. You can make them more immersive, animate them, make them talk, or create 3D worlds. All of this can be done completely for free, and each of these techniques takes less than 2 minutes, some of them just a few seconds. And it doesn't have to be Midjourney images. They could be from any image generator or even a real photo if those still exist. Let's start. Genmo is an image-to-animation video generator. Here, you can create videos from a text prompt or animate any images. After creating a free account with your Google or Discord account, click on Animated from here. Now select the Upload option and upload the image you want to animate. After successfully uploading the image, you can click on Make Video to create an animated video. But I would suggest adding more captions to make the animations more stunning. After adding the captions, customize the settings and then click on Make Video from here. And here it is, your animation video is ready. This is animated drawings. With this tool, you can animate any character and create stunning animation videos. After coming to the homepage, click on the Get Started button from here. Now we have to upload our image. If you want to get the best result, always try to upload a character with TPOs or APOs. I am uploading a random image generated by Midjourney. After uploading the image, click on Next from here. Now, click on the Agree button. Animated drawings will create a canvas for you. You can adjust it. After adjusting the canvas, click on Next. It will create a mask for you. It has created a complex mask for us because of its background, but we can remove the background with a free tool, Remove.bg. After removing the background, re-upload the image and create a canvas and mask. Now it creates a perfect mask. Click on the Next button to move forward to the next step. In this step, you have to adjust the character joint connection, adjust the point if needed. After all is set, click on the Next button, and here it is, your animation is ready. I know it's looking very silly and funny, but it can be the best way to make a funny animation video. LiPix AI. This is the LiPix AI interface. After coming to this page, click on Start Now from here, then click on Get Started from here. Now you have to create an account with your email or Google account. After creating an account successfully, upload the photo you want to animate. Click on the Upload button from here and upload your desired image. LiPix will analyze your image and create a depth map to animate your photo, and here is the result. Now you can change the settings to customize your animation. Once you are satisfied with the animation, click on the Export button from here to download the animation. Now, we will download a depth map of this image. It will help in generating animation in another app. After generating the depth map, click on the Export button and then save the file as a depth map. Let's move to the next tool. It's a free image to Instaverse animation tool. You can create stunning 360-degree images with this tool. Today we will use a 2D to 3D image converter tool. First, click on the Login button from here to create an account. After creating an account, select the 2D to 3D mode. You can see a preview here. Now I'll upload the image I used in LiPix. Click here and upload the image. After uploading the image, you will see a 3D preview of your 2D image, but it's just zooming in and zooming out. For a better output, click on the 3D converter from here. Now we have to upload the depth map generated by LiPix. And here it is. Now you can see the difference. Now you can customize the settings to make it more appealing. After all is set, click on here to make it full screen and record the video with a screen recorder. Pika Labs is one of the most popular AI animation tools nowadays. You need a Discord server to use Pika Labs. After joining the Pika Labs Discord server, you can access their AI animation tool. It's very easy to use. You just need to type a simple command to generate animations from images. Here is an example. Animate image underscore URL. Replace an image underscore URL with the URL of the image you want to animate. Pika Labs will generate an animation for you based on the provided image. These are just a few examples of how you can enhance and animate your AI-generated images. There are many other tools and techniques available online that you can explore to unleash your creativity and make your AI art even more impressive. Have fun experimenting with these tools and creating amazing AI animations.